Hello, first graders. This is Mr. Begay. It is Wednesday, December 16, 2020. First graders, we're now still working with addition arrows. Now, all these should look familiar to you now. Let me jump here to C, okay? Remember, whatever is in this shape plus 2. Remember, it gets added. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Now, if you look over here, Mr. Begay wrote this. Add everything by 2. There's the plus sign again. See, everything we're going to add by 2 again because whatever is in that shape plus 2 goes across. Repeated addition. It says right here, keep adding by 2 until you get to the end. So every number gets added by 2 all the way until you get to the end. Now, first graders, here's what I want you to do. Go get a paper and pencil. Go get a paper and pencil. And when you get your paper and pencil, I want you to copy this. Just the part where you see the cursor moving around. You're going to copy C. You're going to put plus 2. You're going to draw that arrow above it. And I want you to draw everything that you see onto your paper. Draw these triangles. And I already put your 2 bears here because remember, whatever is in that box, that shape there, is going to be here. See, plus 2. So everything is going to get added by 2 up here. So I want you to write everything that you see here. And I want you just to copy this rectangle box. You look how Mr. Begay put it here for you. Okay? Now, first graders, once you're done copying this, and once you are done copying this, now, Mr. Begay did the first part for you. Look, 5, and I put plus 2 here because look, everything gets added by 2 here. And then I put equals 7 because that is true. Remember, we're going to count from 5. Watch. 5, 6, 7. You see, we got that answer there. We did this yesterday. We counted 5, 6, 7 by using our 2 bears here. Also 2, if you still cannot count from 5, 6, 7, find that 5 here on your chart. It's right there. You see it, 5. All you're going to do is count forward 2. Watch. 1, 2. So your answer is going to be 7. So Mr. Begay did this first part for you. Now, first graders, when you get done drawing this top portion, I want you to put plus 2 here. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. And the first thing you're going to put here in this triangle, what number are you going to put here? Not plus 2. What number are you going to put here? Plus 2 goes up here on the arrow. 5, because look, 5's in front here, so 5 goes here. So you're going to put 5 plus 2 equals 7. See, there's your first set of problem that Mr. Begay did for you. Now, first graders, Mr. Begay is going to be really quiet now. I want you to complete the rest of your math problems here. If you get lost, use these 2 bears to help you or come here to the chart and find your numbers, and you're going to always count by 2 because it says here plus 2. So I'll give you a hint, first graders. A number is going to all align here by something. You're going to put it in here. Okay, ready? Keep going. When 5 minutes comes up, we're going to switch to another slide. If you want to, first graders, you can pause the video right here so that way you stay on this slide. Now, Mr. Begay is going to go ahead and let you work for a while. Go ahead and work. Okay, first graders, if you're still working on this slide here, go ahead and pause it now so that way you stay on this slide here. Now, if you're coming up to almost being finished, now I'm going to move to the next slide. Now, in your paper again, you're going to do the same thing. I want you to draw this portion up here. As you can see, it says plus 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bears now here to help you. Now, and I want you to draw this rectangled box also. So you're going to draw this top one with the arrows and the box and the numbers there, and you're going to draw this rectangled box also with these numbers in there. Now, Mr. Begay already did the first one for you. See how we have 17 here? Mr. Begay put 17 here already. Now, I already did this first number for you. 12 plus 5 equals 17, because look, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's how we got 17 here. Also, you can use your chart here. It's still here for you. You're going to go find 12, and it says plus 5 here. Remember, everything gets added by 5 plus 5. So look here at 12. I'm going to count forward by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're on 17, which I put there. Now, first graders, what number goes here in this box? I'll give you a hint. Plus 5 goes up here on top of the arrow. We should know that by now. Plus 5 goes up here because it tells us up here. So on top of each arrow, you need to put plus 5 up here. What number goes here? What number is left? 12. Good job. So you're going to put 12 here. Now, first graders, I want you to complete the entire set. This is your last problem for the day. I want you to get independent with this. Now, you have your bears here to help you, and you have your chart here to go by if you get lost. Now, Mr. Begay is going to remain silent and go ahead and complete your work. You can go ahead and pause the video right here if you want. When you are done, make sure your paper goes into your folder and keep it safe as you're going to return it back on Friday. Keep going, first graders. Good job. Keep working, first graders. Keep going. Figure out your problem. You're going to count by 5. Use your chart here. I'm going to stay quiet and let you continue working. Keep going. Good job. Remember, first graders, if you get lost on how we did this, go back to Tuesday and Monday's video presentations, because Mr. Begay went over this with you Monday and Tuesday. If you forget, go back to Tuesday and Wednesday's video. Watch how Mr. Begay showed it to you. Only if you get lost or if you forget. If not, keep working, first graders. Okay, first graders, keep working. If you are not done, pause the video right here and finish up your problems. Good job. Remember, the more we do this, you're going to get really good at it. We still got to do subtraction also, but we're just going to focus now on addition. Repeated addition. Good job, first graders.